Hi everyone, today I am fixing this calculator. This is given my student. It has a problem of display issues and it display is not showing, its button are not working properly. So my student cannot turn it off, and after fixing this working like this. I set all the settings and reset all of things, and now I am checking the numbers if it all function work well. So I am fixing and putting some numbers, then it will work well. After fixing this, you can see this is work very perfectly and smoothly. Basically this calculator has the problem with the display, so before I going to fix this, I have to tell this before I wanna show the circuit diagram. I open it before, so you cannot remove it battery from the circuit. I found the battery voltage was 1.31 volt only, that is very lower, that cannot provide enough voltage and power to run this calculator. So I have to replace this battery and reset the calculator. I show you the reset button is here with the battery section. If you short it, all function will reset from the calculator. And as you can see, here is the reset button. Now I am replacing another battery, checking the battery voltage, and it is 1.61 volt, that is healthy enough to run this calculator. Now I connect it with the battery segment. And before I connect all of things, I wanna show you how reset button works. As you can see, our calculator is now alive and it is working well. Before I packing it back, and I want to show you how to reset. As you can see, when I short this reset button, all display just restart. That means all programs are restarting, all errors are fixed. Basically this type of calculator has two problems. Number one is battery issues, low voltage and battery charge drained so much, and number two is functioning error. And first one, you have to replace this battery. If they're not working, you have to replace or reset this reset key, and then the calculator will be fixed. So this is the very basic thing I wanna show you. And now I'm checking all of this is okay or not. All function is, as you can see, working so well and perfectly. Hope you found something valuable here and you enjoy the watching full videos. Then give a like and subscribe for more valuable videos. I will give it my students and return him as it is fixed now. Thanks for watching my video.